Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Use 250 grams all-purpose flour, 30 grams sugar, 5 grams salt, and 7 grams instant yeast. Whisk dry ingredients, then stir in 120 milliliters cold milk and 60 grams cold butter until the dough is shaggy and slightly sticky. Wrap the dough and chill for 30 minutes to rest the gluten. Chill dough 30 minutes before laminating. While dough rests, prepare a 200-gram block of cold butter for laminating. Flatten it between parchment to a 15 by 10 centimeter rectangle. Roll dough to a 25 by 15 centimeter rectangle for first fold. Place the 15 by 10 centimeter butter block on 2/3 of the dough, fold dough over, and seal edges to encase butter. Fold into thirds, chill 20 minutes, repeat 2 turns. Rotate 90 degrees, roll to 25 by 15 centimeters again, fold, and chill another 20 minutes. After final chill, roll to 30 by 20 centimeters. Cut into 12 equal pieces and shape with an indentation for filling to hold jam or custard. Fill centers with 1 tablespoon jam or 20 grams pastry cream each, keeping filling shallow to avoid leaks. Proof at 27 degrees C for 40 to 60 minutes until pieces are puffy and nearly doubled in size. They should feel soft when gently pressed. Brush edges with an egg wash of 1 beaten egg and 5 milliliters water for deep color. Bake at 200 degrees C for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown and layered. Cool on a rack 5 minutes, then glaze with powdered sugar and 10 milliliters lemon juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.